Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I am going to show you guys how you can connect marketplace on Facebook. So for that you have to open your Facebook on your phone or on your web browser. Then here you will have to find an option called marketplace. So it will not show you if you haven't browsed even once. So for browsing it for the first time, you can go to this menu option, and here you have to scroll down, and in shopping section you will find marketplace. So you just have to click on it. So once you have done that, you will be able to access marketplace completely. So you can create new listing for products, and also can browse products from marketplace and buy product. You can open the product you want to buy and message the seller, or save the product for later, or you can share the product with your friend. So once you have opened marketplace for once, it will show you the marketplace in your shortcut or your favorite location in the left panel. So that's how you can basically connect marketplace on your Facebook. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.